Hello, this is Seatbelt Planet, and I want to explain to you today how to install the retractor bracket onto a seatbelt for a 1990 to 1998 GM or Chevy pickup. And this seatbelt is for the front passenger seating position. The seatbelt actually mounts in the third door. So basically in your kit, you should have the seatbelt, the retractor bracket, two 1.5 inch bolts, two 1 inch bolts, two lock washers, and two nuts. And so basically, if you were to take the retractor and lay it with the rounded part face down, such that the webbing is fully extended, fold the seatbelt in half at the doorpost fitting, and then you should have the tag side facing up here next to the seatbelt. And that's the way you want to start the process. So the first thing is you'll grab the retractor bracket, and you'll notice on the back side there are two locator pins. Those locator pins fit right in these locations on the back side base of the retractor, just like so, such that the bolt holes line up there. Then you will grab one of the 1 inch bolts and insert it through the back side. And then you're going to secure that on first with a lock washer, and then add a nut to that. And I'm not going to tighten it all the way down, but in your case you'll want to tighten it so that it's secure on the back side there. And then next you want to grab the other end of the seatbelt with the tag facing up, and that goes just on the back side of the bracket into this other spot. So you'll grab another 1 inch bolt, insert it through the back side, and then same process. We're going to add a lock washer here, and then add a nut. And I'm going to tighten it just down slightly, but in your case you'll want to tighten it so that it's secure. And that is how the bracket goes on, just like so. Now we have two 1.5 inch bolts left. One of those will go in here to attach the bracket to the vehicle, and then the other one will be for the buckle side to attach that to the vehicle. If you have any questions, you can always call Seatbelt Planet at 405-736-0088.